Elvis Presley, the virtual man, me, Sonali Nag, is telling you that always Sonali Nag can't can't sing songs with Elvis Presley, the virtual man, of Elvis Presley singing song as solo or duet, because Sonali Nag has other works to do. She has other responsibilities on her mother, Priti Nag, someone in the matter, and also Elvis Presley, the time traveler, who is Elvis Presley, the Aloha Hawaii, that is 3rd January and 14th January. So please, Elvis Presley, the virtual man, try to be logic. I did. Sonali Nag sang multiple songs with Elvis Presley, the virtual man, since 17th August to 28th August, even on 29th August also. Sonali Nag sang Elvis Presley, with Elvis Presley, the virtual man, no more. But please, Elvis Presley, the virtual man, try to be logic. Sonali Nag cannot give you much time anymore. Try to be logic. Thank you, Elvis Presley, virtual man. Thank you, Elvis Presley, time traveler.